Perplexity Comet versus Bing AI. So in this video, we will review these two and let's determine which one of them is the best in their own game. So Perplexity Comet is an AI-powered Chromium-based web browser, while Bing AI refers to Microsoft's AI features integrated into Microsoft Edge. It has the search engine, which is the Bing. The key difference is that Comet is an AI dedicated browser built around Perplexity AI. It's designed to automate workflows, whereas Bing AI or Copilot functions more as an AI assistant within a traditional browser environment. So, in a way, Comet is actually more innovative than Microsoft AI right here. So Perplexity AI is the new AI-first web browser from the creators of Perplexity Answer Engine. It automates browsing with seamless conversations, tab management, and AI-powered core. So on the other hand, Bing AI have AI Chatbot with web page summarization and AI-assisted search. So to add AI capabilities to existing browsing and search tools, acting more like a helpful assistant than a fully integrated workflow engine. So in summary, Comet is a new type of browser, while Bing AI is an assistant added to a traditional browser like Edge. So just choose which one you want depending on your resources. Do take note that the Comet already have $200 per month subscription. So that's all there is to do, and I hope this video helped you out.